Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance your facial features on CapCut. You can also add in makeup as well. So select your video and then you are going to find the enhance button, select it and select face. You can also do this for body as well. You can smooth out their face, even out their skin tone. Some of them you do have to have the pro one, brighten it out, delete the smile lines, also delete dark circles. You can also adjust the shape of their faces, their eyes, their nose, their mouth, their eyebrow. Not saying she does need this. This is just an example if you do want to add in makeup or change your enhance your face. But you can also do this one by one, add in just eyelashes if you want to, and just adjust the opacity here. But that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!